Hazy TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee. Check this out. Another TMG volunteer rolling out of the shop this Saturday morning. This is going to man Scotty up in Ohio. And he called me up, said, man, I just need a top of the line barbecue smoker. Said, Scotty, I got you. The TMG volunteer is gonna be your ticket. Now, he did do a couple upgrades on it, as you can see. Got it on an off-road package, some badass upgraded wheels and tires from my guys mods down in Texas. Now, he also upgraded to the stainless steel front shelf. So standard, you just have a wire mesh shelf there, but he got the stainless. This is a great upgrade here. Looks good, cleans up really quick, won't rust up on you. Let's open the smoke chamber up here. Now the whole smoke chamber is all 1/4" plate steel. You got 2 sliding trays here. Got them as fire poker as well there. Of course, you got that top rack sliding as well. This is all standard, guys. We will never make you pay extra for top shelf, all right? That's included with every TMG pit. Also has a water pen shelf back here in the back. Pull this down, you got your TMG Pits Tell True thermometers there, made in the USA up in New York. Come right here to the Firebox. Now, he did add a griddle top, and he just came by to pick it up. He said, man, throw me a couple of those TMG burger and bacon presses. Y'all can get those on our website. But this griddle top's awesome, guys. You got a little grease catch here, hang your cup down, but you got a hot surface ready to cook lunch on while you're sitting there smoking all day. Oh, hold on now. How about that custom stainless steel logo there, too? That came out slick. Riveted that bad boy on for him. Now, on the Firebox, this is 3/8 pipe on the Firebox. You got a little bit thicker Firebox there. D-ring tie down points on all 4 corners. Oh, hold on, Austin. Come back here real quick with this. Got them a dual flagpole holder on the back here. I know American flag is going to be living in one of these spots right here. So guys, that is Scotty's TMG volunteer heading out to Ohio. So y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.